Herbert Peabody and the Winter Solstice Wish. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. The winter solstice is here. The earth is tilted away from the sun in the Southern Hemisphere. The weather outside is cold and wet. It's the shortest day of the year. We light a fire and candles and make a wish and celebrate winter with cheer. Herbie's friends are helping. Let's start by chopping wood. Safety first, we stand well back in case wood chips fly further than they should. We load the split wood onto a truck and into the wheelbarrow too. Then off to find some kindling. Let's gather all our crew. Everyone can join the hunt to find kindling on the ground. We help carry the big sticks while Herbie holds the pine cone we found. Everybody is looking for sticks that have fallen from the tree. We take them inside to let them dry until it's time to get the fire ready. There are many ways to build a fire, but all need fuel, oxygen and heat. We open the wood heater door for oxygen, then place a big log in, nice and neat. Fire, we add old newspaper and twigs that easily light. We add smaller then larger kindling to help our fire burn hot and bright. A grown-up lights the match to start the fire. Adds the logs we dried. Then we go out to gather winter herbs and fruit and bring them back inside. Herbie and his friends have a special tradition to celebrate the solstice day. Decorate winter wishes and the warm fire helps them on their way. It's time to prepare our teapot tea with sliced lemon and mint too. Pour the teapot tea into our cups and add honey for me and you. It's been a wonderful winter season. Soon spring will be on its way. We can't wait to see you. On our next adventure day.